This is what justice looks like. 20 plus 3 years sentence handed down by Judge Burke this morning after compelling arguments by the prosecution and after arguments by the defense. And most importantly, after heartfelt victim impact statements, one by my client Mimi and the other by the victim Jessica. So for all those who are still preying on women, who want to engage in the high risk taking of harming women and thinking you'll get away with it, that gamble is likely not to pay off for you anymore. And if you're a high profile figure, don't expect anything but equal justice. Don't expect more than equal justice under the law. I'm very emotional because I'm feeling the emotions of my clients. I know what they've been through. I know what they've been through when they testified. I know how it has been for them behind the scenes. I know how hard it has been for them. But they have faced their fears, and they have shown courage. And as Susan B. Anthony has said, courage is the best protection a woman can have. And because of their courage, and because of the voices of so many other women speaking out, there is finally as much justice as is possible in this case. I would like to say that I do think it's, in my opinion, a fair and appropriate sentence. He was afforded due process. He had 5 defense attorneys sitting in court almost every day. Most defendants cannot afford even one private defense attorney. So he got all the due process that anyone could get and more because his attorneys demanded it, and I believe that they got it. Rosie Perez, who was sitting next to me in court and who is being extremely supportive of her dear friend Annabella and who gave very, very compelling and strong and courageous testimony, asked me to say that she feels that this is for all sexual assault victims. And she feels their voices are now being